This is a TRS 80 printer. I remember seeing these when I was a kid back in the 80s and thinking that they were just the coolest thing ever. I'd seen golf ball printers and some daisy wheel printers, but this one used a little pen to write every character. Thought that's it, that's the future. Anyway, I've got this one recently. I've literally just got it out of the box, turned it on. I've hooked it up to the parallel printer port on a laptop. Let's send it a test file and see if it's going to print. So just selecting the printer. Yep, sent the job. It's a 4-pen printer. I've only got green selected at the minute. I think that might be the only one that's working. I think the spec on this said it was 12 characters a second. Well, it doesn't seem to be achieving that at the moment. But yeah, let's see what it can do. That's great. That's what I wanted it to print. It's not quite got the tabbing right. I don't know what's done there, and it seems to be scrolling on forever. But that's awesome. I'm really pleased with that.